Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in the session, we will understand what is the Form 1 of the import tariffs. Okay, so what is the import tariff? We will try to understand by help of example. Okay, so as per the country specific, there are certain type of product between this certain type of country. So for the economic growth and development of the country, government provides some tariff agreements between country. Okay, just like a CEPA agreements, comprehensive economic partnership agreement. Okay, so this agreement is favor to both country, importer or exporters, for development and growth of the economy. Okay, so we need to understand with the help of example. Okay, just like we are going to import some goods from the UAE. Okay, and the goods, the certain type of goods which comes under this agreement, we can get the benefit of the custom duty free. Okay, so what we will do, when we place the order to the supplier, we can first check out whether these goods comes under the duty benefit or not. If our product is comes under the duty free agreements, then we will intimate or instruct to our supplier that necessary document prepare and send to us at the time of export. Okay, so when the shipment reaches the seaport of the India, and to get the duty benefit at the seaport, we will submit this document to the custom port and get the benefit of the ship duty free. Okay, so here the comprehensive economic partnership agreements between UAE and India. Okay, this is the section third. Information should be possessed before the import goods. Okay, so what is need to be intimate to the custom? We need to give the information regarding the shipment. Okay, and also briefly describe the production process undertaken of the country origin to respect the production of the import goods. Okay, so here we need to understand what is the procedures. Briefly, we need to describe the uh, country of the product which are we going to import. Because why we are going to giving this note? Because we are taking the benefit of the duty free. Okay, so in this process, we also state that originating criteria prescribe the rules of origin has been claimed. Okay, so in this regard, we need to give the description of the materials, component classification type HSN. Okay, so where the goods are, where goods is claimed to be wholly obtained, mention the process through which it is claimed for under this category. Okay, we need to declare the category of type of the goods which we are going to duty free. Each trade agreement listed out such process under specific rule may vary from the agreement to agreement. Okay, so some for this process, for this commodity, we need to submit the form 1. But that if the product is different, then this specification need to declare is can be different. Okay, now if goods are not fully obtained, the manufacturing process undertake of the country must be stand. Okay, so if the goods are comes under this, then the supplier country need to be declare the details regarding the shipment. Okay, now we can understand this is the process where we are going to free duty on the import. Okay, by using the certificate of origin. Okay, so what are the basic requirement for that? When supplier displays the goods, he need to share the certificate of origin, which is certified by the origin country government that these goods comes under CEPA agreements. Okay, comprehensive economic partnership agreement. Okay, and while filing of the bill of entry for the shipment, we need to submit this certificate of origin. Okay, so when we submit this certificate of origin to the government, the bill of entry reflect the zero duty at the item of the bill of entry. Okay, so if duty of the basic duty of the custom duty is zero, then SWS charges also be zero in this case. Then IGST need to be pay only. Okay, so we are hit here. We need to understand what is the form one, which we are talking about that. Okay, the form one is the declaration from the origin supplier, means that exporter country's supplier, he declare regarding the goods commodity type, description and classification. Not only this, but the the procedure of the manufacturing, just like a what input given and what output is getting after manufacture. So this entire process briefly described in the form one, which is we need to submit for the custom duty free at the import case. Okay, as an importer, we need to submit this form one. Okay, so you can see on this screen, there are some declaration also need to be given. Okay, so these are the declaration like a this is the minimum provision used to determine whether the good subject to this request quality as the originating goods. So if yes, describe such materials percentage value. Okay, so entirely process need to declare like a what kind of commodity used for the manufacturing process. Okay, so these are the basic table where we need to declare regarding the shipment. So guys, I hope you understand what is the form one. Okay, so form one is the declaration from the supplier. When we use the CEPA certificate, CEPA agreements, or we can say free duty for the by help of certificate of origin at the time of filing of bill of entry, we need to submit the form one, which is declared by the supplier regarding the procedure of the manufacturing of the supplier goods and classification and description of the goods. So guys, we are going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.